Just imagine after working a 9 to 5, sitting in traffic, changing for cycling, rushing home to prepare, or having dinner with the family before 9 p.m. But let's be honest, it is really hard to keep the rules. Probably we need to either skip the training or grab some takeaway instead. But here is one of Koreans' favorite top menus and the easiest recipe to cook. Stir-fried sausage with veggies based on the attractive sauce. Oh my god, it's so good. Tomato ketchup and Korean chili paste are adding its flavor. Today's recipe is simple. Please prepare 1 paprika, 1 onion, 200 gram sausage, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons syrup, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon gochu-jang. Are you ready to cook with me? Come on!